What's going on, guys? Karcher Smith here, Millionaire Mindframe 101 from Instagram, and welcome to the Bitcoin Opportunity webinar. I'm super excited you guys decided to check this out, and I'm super excited to talk to you guys about what's going on in cryptocurrency world tonight. So I just want to start with the super exciting stuff, guys. The first thing I want to talk to you guys about is the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance. And so if you guys don't know what Ethereum is, I'm going to explain to you what Ethereum is. Ethereum is another cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, except it's much more innovative, and it is actually improving upon the Bitcoin technology. It's based on the blockchain with the technology behind Bitcoin, but essentially just improved upon it like 1,000 times. And so I used to say this a lot back in the day, like last year, I used to say like, Bitcoin is kind of like a 95 Mustang, and like Ethereum is like a brand new Lamborghini. So it's a lot better, it's faster, it's newer. But what is Ethereum? The definition is an open source blockchain based computing platform that enables a distributed ledger for storing value across all nodes participating in the network. So in layman's terms, Ethereum is essentially an application on your computer to where you can use the blockchain, and you can use your Ethereum tokens to perform smart contracts and other functions that you would need to facilitate business settlements or like financial settlements, for instance, like remittance. And so this is why we have the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance forming, which is a coalition of like 40 of the biggest corporations and banks in the world. And just to give you an idea of how big this is, Microsoft, Intel, JP Morgan, BNP, Santander's, BP Oil, like British Petroleum, Credit Suisse, JP Morgan, Reuters, UBS, New York Mellon, Intel. So not to mention Citibank. Well, that's JP Morgan. But yeah, so this is big stuff here. I just wanted to show you guys here's the list of all the, all right, here's the list of all the corporations. So a little background about Ethereum. It originally started in 2015, in July of 2015. And I think it initially raised like 10 or 12 million Bitcoin in the beginning. I'm not sure about that. Don't quote me on that. But currently, Ethereum's sitting at $50 per Ethereum and sitting at a $4.5 billion market capitalization. So pretty crazy. The mission of the Ethereum Enterprise Alliance is to learn from and build upon the only smart contract blockchain currently running in real-world production, and to define enterprise-grade software capable of handling the most complex and highly demanding applications at the speed of business. So, to put it into layman's terms, the mission is to build and develop industry-standard software on the Ethereum blockchain, and to improve the business effectiveness of all these corporations, and to help the future effectiveness of future businesses. So I hope you guys are beginning to see why this technology is so exciting. I know I learn more about it every single day, and it gets me more excited. But now I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more about what I do. And that's probably what you guys are really interested in. And so what I do is I'm first and foremost an educator. I love to teach people. And literally, I got started in this industry 3 years ago, and I started with a company called Wealth Generators. That was a network marketing company that focused on financial education. And so what I learned from that experience was, literally, I learned a lot about stock trading and Forex investing, which I was doing previously towards cryptocurrency. But what I learned is the importance of helping people learn how to make money. And so when I got done trading Forex trading, I decided to go into Bitcoin trading and started teaching people how to trade Bitcoin. So my background is I've been investing and trading people for 4 years. So my mentor who taught me how to trade Bitcoin, he made over $500,000 trading Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I've helped several of my students make a 6-figure income from trading Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So essentially, I started this group 12 months ago to teach people the do's and don'ts about Bitcoin. Essentially, what I teach my students is what to do literally and what to not do. So why do I do this? Obviously, the number one reason is to make money. Everybody loves making money. But the number two reason I started doing this is because not a lot of people out here even know how to do this yet. And just so you guys realize, there's only like 2 other cryptocurrency mentors that I know of that teach this kind of trading that I do. And so what I actually joined their programs also to see what they're all about. And what I can say is what differentiates me from them is I actually do a one-on-one mentorship and guidance. I actually help all my students one-on-one with whatever they need. So, and then the third reason why I do this is literally to just empower and help people. I love helping people and just seeing people, the look on their face when they realize that they can make a full-time income from home with no job, no boss, and now they realize that they can be their own boss. That's what I do it for. Honestly, I want to show people that the financial freedom is out there. You just have to know what to do to get it. So that's my goal for everybody in my group, is to show you guys how close financial freedom really is and how many opportunities are out there for you guys. So what we do in my group basically is we teach you to develop the skills and the mindset necessary to become a profitable investor. So this isn't a get rich quick overnight kind of thing. I literally am looking for dedicated and motivated individuals who want financial freedom, who want to earn a 6-figure income without on their own. Literally, we have to do this on our own. I'm not preaching that you should go to college and get a job or work for a company. I'm telling you to work for yourself. So a lot of people ask me like, why should I pay you to help me trade cryptocurrencies? And I just tell them this: look, you can do this on your own, but not many people know how to do this, first of all. So when you look for information on how to do this stuff on the internet, you probably won't find a lot. The second thing is, you could do this on your own, but wouldn't you rather save a lot of time and energy learning from someone who's already done this and learning from someone who's already learned from 6-figure income earners and 7-figure income earners? And that's what I would say to you. And the other thing I would say is that, it's not like everybody, like you just wake up one morning and you say, I'm going to make $1 million trading cryptocurrency. It just usually doesn't happen like that. Usually it takes a lot of skills, research necessary to get started with this kind of thing. And you don't usually just do this on your own, because obviously if you have someone to show you how to do this, it makes you feel a lot more comfortable. And obviously when you're investing a lot of money, you want to make sure you can feel comfortable with your money. So I think the service that I provide is really introducing people into the cryptocurrency space. And I'm your guide, so I give you a level of comfort that you feel comfortable. Like, look, people are already doing this, making money in our group. Like I said earlier, I've helped several of my students achieve a 6-figure income from trading. And so, like I said, you can do this on your own, but are you going to be inclined enough to actually be successful doing this? I don't know. Do you actually have the drive to make it happen? I don't know. But I can tell you what, that in our group, we have over 30 traders that are trading every day successfully. We're all in profits. We make money literally every week. So if you go and talk to any of my students that have been in the group, I mean, there's a few of them in this webinar. They could tell you about our trades and how we work in the group. Anybody in here want to speak up? Looks like I don't have any of my my top traders in here, but that's okay.
Carter, this Shalom here. I've seen what you've been doing. I can say it's pretty legit. I'm not gonna anybody that's not really there. I've not been directly active with you, but I see what you've been doing.
I appreciate that, Salom, and I also I've seen you being active in the chat rooms as well. That's good. Because, yeah, guys, I'm really just trying to do this to educate people, to show you guys that there is a better way. I do not plan on working a 9-to-5 job my whole life. I hope you don't either. And this cryptocurrency revolution right now is going to be something bigger than anything that's ever happened in history before. I'm telling you right now, if you strap yourself in for the ride and join me on this ride, we're all going to be sitting in a completely different lifestyle 2 to 3 years from now. So I want you guys to come with me.
Sounds good. I like the sound of it, bro.
Yeah, so essentially what I'm offering to you guys is I want to offer this. I want to offer you guys my full mentorship training course package. Essentially, I'm going to explain it right now.